Are you using automated sales funnel in your network marketing business? If not, then you are losing so much of your business and leads. Today, I'm going to show you a simple lead funnel which will help you to scale your network marketing business and create a system to scale. Like in your network marketing business, your success depends on your system, not on your upline, not on your followers, not on your things which you do every day in network marketing. Network marketing has become so insane that most of the people think this is a rich quick scheme, but no, if you take this properly, it is proper system which needs attention every day. And now in 2026, if you're not using AI, if you're not using a system, automated system while you're sleeping, and you're showing presentations offline, you're inviting people to webinars offline in hotels, or if you're begging your friends and relatives to come and join your business, then you're not doing right business right now. And these were the old strategies which were making people struggle in network marketing. But now there is a term called sales funnels. What is sales funnels? What is lead magnet funnel, which can be used for in network marketing business to generate leads every day, and how it can help you to scale your business. I'm going to show you step by step how to create lead funnel in my computer now, and you can just copy paste that entire lead funnel and you will see automated leads come into your funnel, and you don't have to even pick your phone to call them. Or
Let's build a lead magnet funnel for network Figma, and then we will map this out in Figma based. Let's build it actual. So what is sales funnel? What is net sales funnel? Is a process where you take your lead in a funnel and you offer them something valuable for free, like PDF guide or swipe content or like video, and in place to give them that you ask them for, that is called lead magnet off. This is the best strategy I use in my network marketing business. I would teach you how to create your free guide or something in your business, and then how to bring it on your funnel, and like automations, funnel, connection between your by mapping, email, everything. So how to create your lead magnet funnel, how to set that, deliver your lead magnet offer to leads, and then how to generate leads in your funnel. So if you see my screen, this is Figma. Let's first map it. I will name it a lead magnet for you don't have to be much techy for this. You just, this is something I'm just explaining to map this and to explain you, but you need not to build it on Figma first. You just have to build it on Slay, which I will show you in a while. Let's make it here. It is now. I will choose a rectangle, and I will first landing page is where leads will land. They will see your offer, that you're offering a PDF guide or whatever, and then there we will have a form where they will give their name, email, phone number, and click on download or sign anything. And then second page would be the thank you page. So two pages. So let's build out first of all first page. So funnel will look something like this, and I will name it as an landing page. Let us now choose our colors. So I would love to choose, like for background I would love to keep it, you know, something shade purple gradient. So you can see like a gradient here, but I will keep it perfect. This is my page. So what we did, we created a page, we gave it background, and this can be any color, like your branding colors. Let's say you love red, or your branding colors, your business branding colors, or your company branding color are red, white, and green, or if your logo color is green, so you will just keep it here. Perfect. Now we are here ready with our background color. Let's now so what I will do is, I will first of all add my logo, which is very important. Bring on my photo. Remove the background of my logo. So I will go to PG remover, and I will go here, upload my logo, and I will load this, and now I will bring my logo here, which is in size, it is small. Now let's add, but what is a button? Button is a call to action. So in our case called download, I would offer them a free PDF guide. So let's click rectangle. Let's create a rectangle and let's align it to logo be like this, and I will keep my button color as some dark color, like some glowing color. Let's say I will keep it yellow, and now I will make a corner look bit round, and it would be 30 or let's say 10. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so 5. Add text to it, which will be your free guide, and this can be anything, like you can name your guide and say download now something. But what how I define my call to action is it should be something where people should take instant decision, or like instant access. They should immediately click like, hey, yeah, I want this. So something like that. By the way, I write all this text via chat gpt, so there is one more step before using pages. Whatever text you want to write, just go to chat gpt, let chat gpt know what are your thoughts, and that's it. So now let's bring it down inside and move down 10. Let's see if it looks fine in one line. Okay, so we will have to bring it in 2. I will select my tag, but to make this perfect. So this is good. I will make this bit bold now to catch attention and like make my leads curious that this is something to click right now. This is bit challenging, or like this is where most of the people get confused how to map your lead offer. Let's create a lead magnet offer, which is our headline, like what we are going to offer. And this can be different for different companies. So like in network marketing, there are companies, those who sell products, some are there those who sell services. There are multiple clients of mine working with me. Those are an e-commerce company, but that e-commerce company is a network marketing company. And I have one of my client who a network marketing company, but it is service based. So this all depends on like in your company, whatever product or service you are having, so how best you can help to some who is looking to start a business or who is looking for an opportunity. So what we will do is let's duplicate this. Let's say I am working in a company offering software, just in or a crm, and it is a network marketing company. So I would I will go to chat gpt. Let me show you guys how to do this. So I went to chat gpt. Let's ask how to do this. Okay, so see, I just asked ChatGPT that, hey ChatGPT, I worked in a network marketing company which offers a CRM as a SaaS like software. So I want to create some sort of lead magnet offer, like on which I can create a free guide for people who are looking to use software in their industry, like basically B2B or doing any business. So just give me some options for creating a lead magnet. So ChatGPT gave me option 1. 7 steps CRM launch blueprint for coaches and SaaS founders. Perfect. Now in this lead magnet, let's say if I have 5 step or like 7 steps PDF guide, I can first of all explain them what this CRM is, who this is for, how you can make best use of it in your business, what are the features, and at last I can give up my sign up link and they can join in my business. So let's create lead magnet offer on this. Okay, so we'll just copy paste this. However, ChatGPT gave us more offers. So option 2, option 3, option 4, option 5, and so many other things. So you can just like whenever you search for this, you can go and copy paste this. So let me make this for this in size. I will change my text color. Let's say my font colors. Let me search for mango. Oops. No, mango is not available, so let's do Anton. Maybe, yeah, this is fine. Regular. No, let's something else. Something is perfect, but I will make it big bold because this is our main headline. Bring this in center, and here is my headline. My headline is perfect for now. I will make it like this. Now we need a catchy subhead. Okay, so our headline defines like what is our offer. So 7 step CRM launch blueprint for coaches and SaaS founders. Now, what would be the outcomes? We will define that in subheadline. So let's ask ChatGPT. me some catchy sub headline defining out of this offer. And now we will let GPT know what offer we are working on. So we are working on this offer. This is perfect, strong outcome. Okay, so build once, automate forever, convert leads on autopilot, stop collecting leads, or step-by-step roadmap to launch your free. No, I don't like these. So we can do is where your CRM stops being software and where auto replaces automation and growth becomes predictable. Okay, yeah, this one is fine. So we will then copy this and paste just below this. I will add, okay, I will strategy meet automation, and we will just replace this one, and we will make this more small. We'll make this small in size because our headline should be more, strong. And I will bring this end below. I will make this more to make headline as in highlight, and 11 is fine, and this is, I will add this above here. I will bring this becomes in the second. Becomes is fine. Okay, perfect. Let's make this big. So we will copy this. I think that this is fine, but we will make this coaches here, and we will make this as founder here. This is fine because this looks good. Okay, perfect. And here is subheadline. Okay, this is a bit congested. I will make it a bit down. Okay, this is headline, subheadline, and now we will have our visual. They are explaining what the CRM is, so we can have a short video of 1 minute here. And second is visual of your ebook or PDF. So I will ask GPT now generate a mock-up this offer with purple and gradient branding color, and make sure to use mock-up designs or EMPD PDF, computer, laptop, and iPad. Let's see what GPT comes up with. Also, best is like if you can add visuals of your ebook or PDF guide. So GPT brought us this. I will download it. Will now remove BG, remove background of it. Oh, download, and I will upload it here. Both will have same pattern and same redirect. So our landing page is ready. Now at bottom what you can have is you can have your privacy policies and etc, which is like mandatory. I always have that. So police, disclaimer, and condition. So now we have all three things. I will make this site center aligned, and that's it. So this is our landing page. Most of the people add more things, like if you want to add who this is for, who this is not for. So you can expand your page and you can add those details. Let's say if you want to add some testimonials, so you can simply add that as well here. So I don't want to add that because I want to keep it very simple. Instead of like people spending more time on my page, they should simply click on download button, and that's it. Boom. So once they click on download button, this will come when you build a funnel. I will have a pop-up now which will open when they click on load. So we don't have a form right now if you focus. So we will here do this pop-up. Let's see, we'll keep it black in color, create some attention, and I will my corners. Perfect. Now we'll add a form here. So when you create a funnel, there is always a drag and drop visit of form. So I will download something from Google. Okay, perfect. We will have this type of pop-up. I just create, and this is something. Let me show you by zoom in. So we have more details like again, so that we don't want them to forget our offer till the end. So this is very close step where most of the people come and they just get out, they don't opt in, so you can lose your lead. So that is why I add here stack value, where they see that okay, what they get. So I will submit my full name, email address, click on get the free guide, and then now we will have thank you page, which we will create immediate. So duplicate this page, bring it here, and now let us create a very simple thank you page. So we drop headline here, thank you, you have successfully opted in for this check blueprint. That's it. Now once this is here, I will also have my logo in middle. So FLP is here, we have opted in. Now just below this I will have proper disclaimer, because see, when you send something via email to someone, sometimes it goes in spam, and that is why I will mention here that please make sure to check your spam if you haven't received 7 is to print. If you could not find, write and reach to us at the rate gmail.com or something. Perfect. Now I will highlight this part at case sensitive. This is something I want my audience should share. So this is tech, so we don't know what can go wrong. Perfect. Now I will add a line. Basically this is a divider, so I will add a divider here and I will make this bit look good. We'll make it this one, and weight would be 4 at least. Look, enter aligned. So now I have divided this page in 2 parts. Now what I will do is, they took my guide, now I want to sell them my CRM, and that is something which comes here. Now you pay, now you sell them your paid tool, your paid CRM, or like whatever company you are in, like product or anything, whatever you want. So now this is the better chance to show them your business opportunity. I will add here a video of mine explaining them what my business is, what my company is, and how they can make money and how successful it is. Okay, perfect. So here would be my video. I'll make some corners tighten, and what I will do is, now I will have a call to action which will take them to my sign up page, my referral link, where they can join under me in my, so directly I will just copy this code. Perfect. And I will like saying like, and join my this. Perfect. So now they watch this entire video and they join my business. One more thing is, like, I love always to add timer here, and I hide that timer. And that what that timer does is, it has a condition when you build any funnel in any software. So it has a condition that when timer hits 5 minutes, let's say if your video is of 15 minutes, so I will say like, when timer hits 12 minutes, then only show this join my business. But before that they won't be able to see this button, because I want that they should watch this video at least for 12 minutes to understand my business, and then only they should have that call to action. So this is something which can be done in any software when you build. And this is the opt-in lead magnet funnel I use to, you know, bring leads to my business. If you got some clarity on how to build your network marketing business and generate leads, do like and subscribe this video, and I hope I could help you to understand this entire funnel. I will drop more videos like this, and I will build sketch and step by step and funnel builder also soon. So we will just on how to build this inside software and connect automation in this. So yeah, thank you, bye.